Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, hey, man, what's up?
What is up? Looking good with the new stash.
Yeah? Really? Seriously, because, I just, started taking it out for a spin, and I'm really...
I love it.
Oh, sorry, Jessica. This is Lucia. Lucia, this is Jessica.
Okay.
So I see you guys started without us.
Yeah, sorry.
So you want to go grab something?
Yeah.
Right here. What do you want to get? Tacos, quesadilla. No, we could share a couple. Paul, what's wrong?
What's going on, man?
Those assholes over there making fun of your mustache.
What? Who?
I don't even think that's English.
It's French. I speak a little French. And they're definitely being big connard là!
Dude, look, man, don't worry about it, okay? The mustache is stupid anyway. Just not an ironic kind of guy.
You look adorable. Yeah, don't listen to them. You're unique.
No, man, this is bullshit, right? They can't just come to our country and start making fun of your mustache.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say something. Hey, oh! Faut faire attention à ce que vous dites, là! Espèce de girafe, là!
Il vient nous traiter de girafe? Ah bah ouais, il vient nous traiter de girafe. Ah, c'est pas gentil, ça!
Mais pourquoi vous avez parlé de mon ami comme ça, hein? Vous êtes qui comme ça?
Does he ever not get into a crazy situation? It's a really good question.
Not since I've known him.
J'ai habité à Paris pendant quelques années, hein?
Ah, tu as habité à Paris pendant quelques années. Donc quel arrondissement?
Dans le 3e, hein?
Dans le 3e.
Juste à côté de la rue des Rosiers, c'est ça? Vous connaissez, c'est ça?
Ah, mais c'est près du falafel, ça, non?
Oui, c'est ça. Hein.
Bah oui, bah c'est cool. Bah oui, on sait. C'est ton taco, là? Bah d'ailleurs, écoute, on va à une fête tout à l'heure. Après, si t'as envie de nous rejoindre avec tes amis, ça peut être sympa, quoi.
Ah, oui, oui,
Bah,
ouais,
écoute, Ah, bah c'est cool. Ah, bah, avec plaisir.
Ouais.
Should we go over there?
Voilà. Comme ça.
Yeah, I think you might want to.
Bonne soirée, hein?
Ok, toi aussi. Ciao.
Did you just get her number?
No, it's the address
You
of
just
this.
got her number.
No, it's the
she
address.
wrote it on your hand.
It's the address of this party they're going to. It's not their phone number.
Oh, it's an address to a party they're gonna go to.
Yeah.
He just got an address from a couple models.
Wait, you're gonna go to a party with the people that were making fun of my mustache?
It was a misunderstanding. It wasn't offensive. They just said it looked like a little black caterpillar that was gonna fly away. It's just, it's cute, right? I mean.
Hey, do you want to go to that gallery opening that you were talking about?
Yeah. Guess we'll see you guys later. Oh, hey. How did my pee work out for you?
It's a funny story, I promise.
You know what? I'm gonna go catch up with them.